Tired of squinting at your phone for WhatsApp video calls? Let's ditch the small screen and show you how to make crystal clear video calls directly from your computer. First, you'll need WhatsApp on your computer. You have two options: downloading the WhatsApp desktop application, which you can find on the WhatsApp website, or using WhatsApp web in your browser. For the desktop app, simply download the installer, run it, and follow the on-screen instructions. It's a quick and easy installation. If you prefer WhatsApp web, just go to Web WhatsApp in your browser. You'll see a QR code. Now, grab your phone, open WhatsApp, go to Settings, then Link Devices, and tap Link a Device. Use your phone's camera to scan the QR code on your computer screen. This syncs your WhatsApp account to your computer. Once synced, you'll see your chats on your computer. Before making a video call, make sure your camera and microphone are properly set up. WhatsApp will usually ask for permission to access them when you first use the app, so just grant them permission. To make a video call, simply open the chat with the person you want to call, and look for the video camera icon at the top of the chat window. Click on it. And that's it. You're now enjoying a WhatsApp video call on your PC with a bigger screen and hopefully a more comfortable setup. Enjoy connecting with friends and family.